I've edited over 2,000 college essays, and these are 5 mistakes you're probably making. The first one is that you're focusing too much on your negative experiences and your challenges instead of your growth and your potential to succeed at their college. Secondly, you're trying to include way too much context and background to your story that just isn't needed, and that's why you're having trouble cutting down your words. 3, your essay is kind of all over the place and not cohesive because you never defined your one sentence theme before you started writing. You need to figure out what is the main value or skill or lesson that I want to share with this essay, and then make sure that your entire essay goes toward that theme, because that's also why you have so many extra words that aren't actually related to the theme or the story. Number 4, your essay is focusing way too much on someone else and not enough on you. So if you're talking about someone else, you want to make sure that it's always about how you are perceiving this interaction with this person, how this makes you feel, what you think about it, and then what you do about it, not just the other person's story. Number 5 is that your essay feels really bland and it's not really engaging, it doesn't show a lot of personality, and the experience that you're talking about is pretty basic and common amongst other people. And the issue might not actually be that experience, because the topic might be fun actually, but it's that you need to focus less on the external events of this happened, then this happened, then this happened, and focus more on your emotions that are guiding you through the story. Focus on your internal character arc. That is what I have all of my students create before they even start drafting their essays. So if you're looking to get really high quality feedback and guidance throughout your entire application season, you can check out nextgenadmit.com, or you could not. It's up to you.